Guys, I have tapped on the camera and my video is start and my video has been started of shooting. So guys, this is my good morning guys. First of all, let me tell you something very important. Good morning guys. Good morning guys. So guys, this is my 19th day of English speaking challenge. So I I was unable to speak few times before. I was unable to speak few times before. I don't know why. I was facing some problems, I think, and I think I'm not comfortable. I was not comfortable that time. I was not comfortable that time. So right now I am. So right now I am. I need to. I can speak. I can speak. I can speak. I can speak up very well now. I can speak up very well now. So let's get into the videos. Let's start our videos. So let's start with point number one. Why I will start with point number one. I have to describe the topics only. I have to describe the topics only because I'm very weak in topics. I'm very weak in describing topics. I'm very weak in describing topics, in elaborating topics. Yes. So if I would read about the topics daily, if I would read about the topics daily, then I would be explaining the topics. Then I would be explaining the topics very well. Then I would be explaining the topics in a very good manner. So I need to develop this habit. I need to develop this habit means I need to develop this habit into me. Means I need to develop the habit of reading. The habit of reading. That's why Alina Reis always tells in her video that try to read something. Try to read something. Not the newspaper, but you can read something. That whatever you have, you just read it. You just read it, okay? And I think where I'm working right now, so there is plenty of books there. There are plenty of books there. So I can choose any of the book and read it. Means there are so many books that is published in English. So I can choose any of the book and read it and start reading by putting that book on the table and I can read it. Yes, on the counter also I can put on the counter also I can put the table. I can put the I can put. Yes. So for 2 days, for 2 days I have been started reading the book. I have been started reading the book, and I choose any of the book, and I used to choose any of the book, not an individual book. I don't select the individual book. I don't used to use I don't used to select the I don't used to select the particular book. I used to change every day. I used to change every day. I used to change the book every day. I used to change the book every day. Means I like reading, but different. I like reading, but different books. I like reading books. I like I like reading different books every day. Yes. And I have heard from the videos of YouTube. I have heard from the videos of YouTube that if you should read at least one page or two pages daily. Yes. If you read one page, then after a month you read at least 30 pages, and in a year you read around 365 36 no, let's calculate this data. Let's calculate this data from 30 30 30 multiply into 12. Yes. So what is the data comes? So what are the data coming? Let me know in the comment me, okay guys? So if you read a book of 1 year, if you read a book if you read a book of 1 year, if you read a book till 1 year, then your reading skill will be enhanced. Then your reading skill will be enhanced. So i hope I hope you would start doing from today itself. So I hope you would start. I hope So guys, I hope you would start doing it from today itself. Yes, and I want you to do this, and I want you to do this. Yes, that's why I'm doing it. That's why I'm doing it. Means I'm making this video just for you. Making this. That's why I'm making this video just for you, so that you could feel motivated, so that you could feel motivated and inspired by me. And every day I used to push myself every day. Means if I want, then I can sleep for long, but I don't want it, because I have set my goal that I have to do this. Then do this. I can't i can't be i can't be heedless for I can't be heedless I can't be heedless for my goal. I have to do this, then do this. Yes, whether rain or shine, whether rain or shine came, whether rain or shine comes, I don't care. I have to achieve this. I have to achieve this. I really need to I really need to develop this habit. I really need to develop this habit into me. Yes. So this is one such habit that I want to develop into me. Means today, if I would rather if I would rather say about today if I would rather say about today if I go to my office, then I will clean my office. I'll clean each and everything. The sofa I will clean each and everything. The sofas, no, I'll clean each and everything. First of all, I will do some dustings. Means I will clean the glasses of the I will clean the glasses of the book, where the books are kept. So I will wipe the glasses by a cloth. I will wipe the glasses by the cloth first of all. And thereafter I will do some dustings. Means I will remove the dust. I will remove the dust from the book. I will remove the dust from the books that was spread on it, that was being spread on the book. So I will remove that first of all by a cloth, by a duster. And thereafter I will clean the counter. Where I used to sit generally, so that the people could see me, so that the people could look at me from the from the so the people could see me from the away, from the distance. No, so that the people could see me from his some distance, from at a some distance. So, and thereafter I will clean the counter and table, where I used to eat, where I used to have my lunch, where I used to have my lunch generally. So I'll clean each and everything. I'll wipe each and everything. Thereafter I will swipe. No. I will sweep. I will sweep up the floor. I will sweep to the floor. I will sweep up the floor. I will sweep up the floor. I will sweep. No. I will sweep to the floor. I will sweep to the floor, and thereafter I'll take some water. Yes, and I will go. I will sit. I will have a seat on the sofa. I will sit on the sofa. I'll sit on the sofa, and thereafter I have to make myself calm. I have to make myself calm. I have to make myself calm after this. So after sometimes I would take some water. I would take some water and have it. I would take some water and drink it. I would take some water. I would take a bottle of water. I would take a bottle of water and in, and I would take a bottle of water and have it and drink it. And after taking the water, I'll take one of my medicine. I would take one of my medicine. I would take one of my medicine, and thereafter I will I will take a book. I will take any kind of, I will choose, I will go to the book, I will go towards the book, I will go towards the book and look look that which one I should read today, which one I should read today. Then I'll select the book, then I'll choose, then I'll select the book from the books, from the, then I'll choose the book. Thereafter I'll choose the book from the book, from the book, from the collection of books. Yes. Then I'll choose the book from the collection of books, and I will I will take a particular book. I will take a particular book that I have to read, and thereafter thereafter I will take it on, I will take it onto the counter. I will take it onto the counter, and I will open the book and start reading. I'll read at least one page, at least one page anyhow. I have to read at least one page anyhow. So after reading the book, open the I will open the laptop. I will open the laptop and press the button of, and press the button, and press the power button, and press the power button, and press the power button. Then the laptop will start. Then the laptop will start. Then the laptop will start, and I will see the battery of the, I will see the battery of the laptop, that what is the what is the battery percentage of the, what is the battery percentage of the laptop. So if the battery is 12% or 20%, then I'll charge the laptop. And and along with, I have to change, I have to check, I have to check, I have to check, I have to check out the battery of the phone also. I have to check out the battery of the phone also. I have to check it. I have to check up. I have to check up the. I have to check out the battery of the phone also. If the battery, if the there is no battery, if the battery, if the battery level of the phone will be 20 or 30%, then I'll charge the phone also. Then I'll charge the phone as well. And thereafter I will come to my book and start reading. I'll I'll read at least one page or two pages. I'll I'll read at least one page or two pages, and thereafter I'll take another book. I will keep that book. I will keep that book. I will keep that book back to their place. I will keep that book back to its place, and I'll take another book, and I will start reading again. 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 Either one page or two pages, I'll read it, and after reading the book, come to my I will come to my laptop, and and I will come to the laptop, and I'll I'll press the button. I'll press the button. No, I'll press space button. I'll press space button. Thereafter the thereafter some interface will come. So there would be a password required. There so in that so in that in so in that so in that so in that interface a password would be required there. So I have to put the password there. I have to put the password there. So the password would be 815302. So that is the password of the laptop. So after putting the password, the laptop will get into the laptop will start working. The laptop will Then the second interface will come. Then the second interface will come, and I will so the so after putting the password, you can go to the home. you can go to the home of the laptop. You can go to you will go to the home of the laptop. You will go to the home of the laptop. You will go to the home of the you will go to the home you will go home of the laptop. You will go home of the laptop, and after that you have to click, you have to see that you have to click you have to click into the you have to click into the you have to click into the Chrome. And after clicking the Chrome, so Chrome application, after clicking the Chrome application, some interface will come, so there would be a different apps, just on the just believe the search bar of the Google. So you have to click on the WhatsApp. So you have to click on the WhatsApp, and the WhatsApp would be coming, but it would take some time for loading. Means it would be loading when you click it. While clicking, it would be taking some time while clicking, so it would take some time when you click it. So I will click so I will first of all I will open the WhatsApp, and thereafter I will go to the I will go to the I will go to Facebook. After this, then the Facebook will come, and some interface will come, and thereafter I have to click into the reels. Reels section. I have to go to the reels section where the lot of reels comes. Thereafter I went there. I go to reels, and I have to swipe the reels. Okay, I have to swipe the reels, and after this you have to look at the content, that what content I have to make today. So I will look at the content. Carefully. I will look at the content carefully and observe it, that is this a good content or not? Is this a good content or not? Yes. Means first of all I have to make a reaction video. So guys, this is all about today. I'll be back more such videos, but tomorrow onwards. So until you take care, bye. Allah Hafiz.